Hi, my Nagaraj, my name is. My from Haveri. My working place in Bangalore. I am IBS gastritis and 2 years, 2 years full suffering. Almost doctor and 50 doctors I meet you. Full about telling your doctor. 50 doctors is telling. Some more doctor is telling hyperacidity. Some more doctor IBS problem, your problem. 2 years I am full suffering. And 5 days back I am come to Dr. Praveen Jacob sir meet you. Your problem is IBS no and hyperacidity no. Your problem is low acidity. Dr. Praveen Jacob sir is telling I am 5 days 5 days my problem solved. I am fully today is happy. Medicine is 5 days medicine is Praveen Jacob sir is given to. I am full happy. Almost my 2 years full suffering. I was thinking to suicide. Praveen Jacob sir is my life saved. Thank you sir.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Nagaraj hails from Haveri and works in Bangalore, suffering from severe type of IBS and gastritis from past year. More than 50 doctors he consulted.
Yes sir.
Did various type of investigations
Yes.
like endoscopy, colonoscopy. No one could identify the root cause.
Okay.
And he got admitted to Nisarga Mane Hospital.
5 days.
And I started observing him, and I tried with various type of diet. Later I got a conclusion that it is neither IBS nor the gastritis. I found it is strongly related to poor digestion. Always poor digestion is a result of lack of acid production. All doctors told it is hyperacidity. I have diagnosed that it is lower acidity.
Yes sir.
It is not the hyperacidity causing his poor digestion, it is a lower acidity.
Yes sir.
So all doctors prescribe medicine to lower his acid. I prescribe medicine to increase his acid production. Miraculously, soon after the first dosage of medication, his bloating substantially reduced and his face started glowing, and he was keep complaining about suicide. He told me, doctor, you are last hope. I may commit suicide because I'm neither able to go to job nor able to offer any help to my parents. So I have strong feeling to commit suicide. You are the last one. But I just suggested simple solutions to him. He has adopted it. His problem was not the acidity, it was lower acidity.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yeah, lower acidity. You require, a normal individual required hydrochloric acid, the stomach acid, to properly digest the food. His stomach was not producing. That's what all these issues arise. So when we have stomach issues, it could be multifactorial. It might be hyperacidity, it could be lower acidity, it can be small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, but the diagnosis is very important. I had the opportunity to being with him for 5 days, so I was keep observing everyday food habits. Then I drove a conclusion that it is lower acidity. Next day, he got complete remission of 2 years of his poor digestion and bloating problem.
Yes.
The main treatment I have offered to him was natural probiotics, which is rich in acid, like natural acids. So that was helpful to enhance the acid production. And even I stopped all type of grains for a span of 5 to 10 days now. I hope you can follow a good diet. It might not relapse in your future as well.
Yes sir.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you sir. Thank you. My life saved sir you. Okay, thanks.